Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Close CRM custom fields for quote tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable custom fields for quote tracking in Close CRM, start by logging into your Close CRM account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Custom Fields option on the left sidebar. Click on Custom Fields to open the configuration page. Here, you'll see a list of existing custom fields if any have been created before. To add a new custom field for quote tracking, click on the Add Custom Field button. A new window will appear, prompting you to fill in details for the custom field. Begin by naming your custom field. Choose a name that clearly describes its purpose for quote tracking. Next, select the field type that best suits your needs. Options may include text, number, date, or checkbox. After selecting the field type, you can customize additional settings such as making the field required or setting default values. Once you've filled out all relevant details, click the Save button to create the custom field. Your newly created custom field will now appear in the list of custom fields. Now, you'll want to associate this custom field with quotes, so navigate to the Quotes section in the left sidebar. Open an existing quote or create a new one by clicking on the Add Quote button. In the quote details, look for the Custom Fields section. You should now see the custom field you just created available for editing. Fill in the relevant information for your custom field based on the specific quote you are tracking. After entering all necessary information, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled and utilized custom fields for quote tracking in Close CRM. Now you can easily track specific data points for all your quotes, enhancing your overall workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.